Here's how to redeem Roblox codes in mobile. Now, if you're on an iPhone or an Android, I'll walk you through the exact steps if you have a Roblox code and you wanted to redeem it so you get more Robux. Now, on either your iPhone or Android, if you tap on the Roblox icon at the top right, you can see your current balance of Robux. But on here, there's no option that allows you to redeem it within here. The first thing that you want to do is find where you have that code. So you can see on here, you might have a physical Roblox gift card, and on the back, you need to scratch that code and then basically just use this code to enter it in. Or if you got an email with it, it'll just have that code within the email. So after you've done that, within the app, there are two different ways to do it. Tap on the three lines at the top left. Keep in mind, they just redesigned what this looks like. Now from here, you can see under Buy Gift Cards is Redeem Codes. But for whatever reason, on the exact same account, on my Android phone, it doesn't pop up. So if you tap on Redeem Codes here, all you need to do is enter in the gift card or virtual item or promo code right here and tap redeem. But again, if it doesn't show up on your Android phone or any other device, it's super easy to get to it anyway. All you need to do is tap on those three lines and then tap on Help and Safety. And then at the top, just tap on Help. From here, the help page, all we need to do is tap on search, and then we're going to just type in redeem and hit search, again, on any device. So after you've done that, you'll be able to see it says how to redeem and spend your gift card. Just tap on that and then go down from here, and you'll be able to see towards the bottom here is just navigate to roblox.com/redeem. So just tap on that and it will open up a web browser, again, where you can just enter in that code right here. Keep in mind, if you're not already logged in, you might need to log in first. So just tap on the login button and log into your account on the web browser version. And then from there, you can always redeem it and it will apply it to the app as well as the online browser version. So you'll be able to get those Robux. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.